everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing 2 facial oils with you. I love facial oils and I like a good anti-aging facial oil. So I'm always on the quest to find oils that's going to do wonders for my aging skin. The reason why I love facial oils is because they are all natural like these 2 oils that I'm going to share with you, and they contain the vital antioxidant that is great for boosting the collagen production, great for shrinking large pores, great for hydrating the skin, great for smoothing wrinkles and fine lines. And when all of this is done with, your skin will look younger, fresher, brighter and radiant with a natural glow. You want to look years younger. You want your skin to look amazing, just fresh and bright. Then you got to take care of it. What I'm going to do for you today, I am going to introduce these oils to you. Before I move on, thanks to IYURA for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into the product. And here it is, guys, in all its glory. This is the KESARADI facial oil. Now this oil, oh, talk about the packaging. Perfect for your vanity. Now let me open the oil for you, and I already opened this one because I have been using it for a while, but this is how it comes, nicely packaged. Now what got me so excited about the KESARADI oils, guys, is the amazing lineup of ingredients that you find in the KESARADI oil. Now here are some of the ingredients: nut grass, sweet flag, lotus. It also have oils like sesame seed oil. It also contains turmeric. The KESARADI oil contains a saffron, and in case you don't know what saffron is, it is one of the most expensive spice in the world. I went to Dubai recently and I bought me a whole set of saffron. Very expensive. A little goes a long way. And guess what, guys? Saffron also have an amazing color, and when you open the KESARADI oil, you definitely can see the result from the saffron. Take a look at this. Look how bright and pretty that is. That is from the saffron, but it's not only about the color that the saffron gives to this oil. It's all about the fact that saffron do leave your skin glowing. It is what's going to give the skin this natural glow when you apply it on the skin. Another ingredient that I like that they have in this is the sesame seed. As a matter of fact, the sesame seed is the base oil that is in this bottle right here. And you know I love me some sesame seed, and I use a lot of sesame seed oil on my skin, and I share a lot of wonderful remedies with you guys using the sesame seed oil. And it's for a reason, because it contains vitamin A, it contains collagen, boosting antioxidant that is great for the skin. Now guys, I am going to show you how I use the KESARADI oil on my skin for best result. But guess what? Wait a minute. There's another oil that I'm also using along with the KESARADI oil. Now take a look at the next oil, guy. This is the MANJISH Glow Elixir, and the packaging is just like the KESARADI oil. Now what I like about this one is that it is perfect for a nighttime oil. You can use the oil anytime you feel like using them, but I personally like this at night. What I do, I layer the KESARADI oil at the bottom and then I put this on the top. However, you can use any of these oil as a standalone oil. Each oil is unique in its own way. As I said, I just like mixing and I like playing around with oils, so I tend to layer them, but individually they have their different purposes. So guys, what I'm going to do for you really quick is to show you how I use these 2 amazing oils on my skin for best results. Don't go away, just watch for the application. I'm going to apply a little bit of a facial toner. Today I'm just going to use some rose water. If you do not have a facial toner, a quick and easy facial toner is just to use some rose water on the skin. Now that my facial toner is dried, I'm going to use my oils. Today I'm going to use both of the oils on my skin, and the first one I'm going to use is the KESARADI oil. I love this oil. Another thing that I like about this company is that they paid attention to details. The packaging, guys, the way they package this product to ensure that when you get it, it is in good condition. It's amazing. And in case you're wondering about the fragrance, very pleasant. So I'm just gonna take only, you don't really need a lot, you just need about 2 drops. So I'm just gonna dip in, and I'm gonna put just 3 drops is good. And I like to warm the oils in my hands, so I'm warming the oil. Oh, so pleasant. And then I'm just gonna press it on my skin. This is so nice. It's not greasy, and it smells so good that it's also helping me to relax. Just press it on my skin. Don't forget your neck and your décolleté. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. With all of that natural herbs, guys, definitely safe to use around your eyes, helping to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines, and also getting rid of your dark under eyes circles. So after I apply the KESARADI oil on my skin, what I like to do is to layer it with the MANJISH Glow. Now guys, you really do not have to use both of these. You can choose to use either the KESARADI or the MANJISH Glow. I just extreme as usual, since I like oil so much, like to use both together. Alright, but it's not a must. You can use just one, get just one, or get both. Now when it comes on to the MANJISH Glow Elixir, guys, this is best used at night and on clean skin, okay? And this is best used at least once per day for best result. Evening is good since you can apply it to your skin, go to sleep with it, and wake up with a radiant glowing skin. Now take a look, guys. Look at that. Look at this amazing color that this oil have, and that is from the key ingredient, which is the Indian mother. And the smell of this is also amazing, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm going to be using just 4 drops. As a matter of fact, use the amount of drops that is, you know, enough for your skin. Run about 4 drops, 3 to 4 drops. You could use more or you could use less. And look at that up close. Amazing. So just as the other oil, I like to warm it in my hands, and I like to press it on my skin. Now remember, this oil can be used standalone. Each of these oils can be used standalone. And guys, don't forget the neck and the décolleté. Another thing that I like, guys, is that the MANJISH oil, you can also use it as a massaging oil, okay? It do a great job as a massaging oil. So make the best of this oil, since you want to have not only your face, your neck, and the décolleté all glowing, but you want to have your entire body looking amazing. And when it comes on to the leftovers, go ahead, guys, and massage it on your skin. So there you have it, guys. 2 oils that I'm really into these days. We have the KESARADI and we also have the MANJISH Glow Elixir. Amazing. Now, when it comes on to these oils, guys, they are 100% natural. If you have sensitive skin, just patch test it on your hand. If you want the best result from these oils, you need to take care of your skin. Just exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week, and then you apply these amazing oils on your skin. Now what can I say to you guys? You can get these oils to buy, and I'm gonna put the link to the website below. You can also, guys, get a discount, and my discount code will below. Click on the link, which will take you to the store, and there you're gonna find your product. Use my discount code to get the discount. Now these products also comes in small sizes, and let me show you guys. Here are 2 of the smaller size. If you travel a lot, you can take these 2 along with you, so that you don't have to take the bigger bottle. But these 2 are very, very convenient. Another thing I want to mention, guys, is that you really don't have to get the 2, okay? I'm a little extreme, and I like, you know, to layer oils on my skin and all of that, so I get 2. But if you can only afford to get 1, go ahead and just use 1, okay, guys? So there you have